Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so ye na ye nim ana yete audio of Haruna Idrisu a woye NDC majority leader ensem a wakan entwa ye anye nkrofo bebrede especially going back to say wetie aban impenyufo ama e-levy waje atum ene nsensem bebre. A lot of people felt betrayed, especially in the NDC and Ghanaians at a whole, because at large, sorry, as a whole, because my mama say we share sa insensem way a kosona as a Ghana for sisi and wo de omore ashe NDC for mu say NDC for na ebia ebetwitwaje omo and there say parliament ebeye sitting. We are waiting to see the outcome and what will happen. Now NDC for ababontin Eden sema babe tuja say Ghana for obi a waye wadwen say majority leader no aka bibinti eye no eye official position of the NDC na ntro NDC for the baby omugina na no mugina e-levy wo munji ntumu ende ochina ka ho yenko read press release NDC for edeba na nipa kra. It's quite interesting because nipa kwa nensa share NDC for press release asi Muntaka woye the minority whip. So I don't know, the minority leader himself said say e-levy ne de ade nanso minority whip ababetro in favor of NDC say NDC for engine to mu but nankiyeka minority nanka obi a woye womutre the minority leader what you say but whip no and trouble. I don't know what's going on, but asemo de ababetu jano. Now let's read or see the position of the NDC caucus in parliament on the 1.75% e-levy proposed by government in the 2022 budget statement. I said the NDC caucus in parliament wishes to assure Ghanaians that it will continue to use every legitimate and lawful channel to resist the 1.75% e-levy government is seeking to impose on ordinary Ghanaian. Or see, for the avoidance of doubt, the position of the NDC caucus in parliament right from the onset of the 2022 budget debate has been that the 1.75% e-levy government is seeking to impose is regressive, punitive, and draconian, and that same must be suspended. Now, as someone walker and say NDC for Gina Yebie womu emekino one. Na nini na NSA sa 1.75 levy ade bia eboman emma oman enkoso ade bia akwa yese yedi tia Ghana for ka ase Ghana for ye bone ana yedi bone bi na yedi etia yen esoka na ade bia eni kwan se ye pene ema ne baso. I say the minority caucus has vigorously championed this position in parliament and in the media space to draw government's attention to our demands. Subsequent to our rejection of the budget on 26 November 2021, government has sought to engage the NDC caucus in a series of discussions towards finding an amicable solution to the impasse. Also, surprisingly, despite the good faith demonstrated by the NDC team recognizing the importance of the budget to the economy, business and households, the government side outrightly rejected our proposal for a revision of the e-levy, leading to a breakdown of the discussions. I say a free embra were more rejected budget no. Or more NDC for a year and say womune abai mum or say government has sought to engage the NDC. Abai mum ye omadwen say omone NDC for betena say na womune NDC for edin komo na womo atre nyama eniso atre NDC for na NDC for hu say e-levy moma yenje na ebeboa na wose omoni aban ekoko hia ye no omutumi hu ne se aban ne de waye ne hu kukuti because NDC for the proposal by say until say budget ye be ma na bem no yesremo munyi 11 film na so aban ya na adwen say one penny NDC for the proposal ne ba wo meeting asa na aban abo egu o de ba na abo egu nti enda ye ka say breakdown of discussions no I break it down and it's quite interesting. Na saying President Akufo-Addo be katre MPP MP say mo obi entu kwan nkwa abrochi minim say eye no ntia but if it is so na tre say aban ne de wa na adwen say wo ye den kran na there will be no consensus building. And say wa na adwen say ma ne nkrofo ni ntu kwan o mo ntena kwa no mo nya na budget say ne obemba ya ye be pass budget di o mo nya ne pass. That's the implication. That's the impression of what is happening. Now, yentia letter press release so. Also, we wish to state unequivocally that no concrete decision or agreement has been reached between government and the NDC caucus in Parliament on this matter. As we speak, government's so-called concessions are unknown to us, and we have no clear indication that they intend to seriously consider any of the proposals that have come up. Under the circumstance, we wish to state that the NDC caucus will maintain its original position as stated earlier. Signed, Honorable Muntaka Mubarak, MP for Asawasi and Chief Whip. Muntaka insema wode ababetu janono. Wase okoti wo bebia now, and you see, I like one thing about this statement. The fact that Muntaka didn't disrespect the minority leader, and I like that fact. The fact that he didn't even touch on the issue. Also bi anko beba beka say wakwa akote say NDC ni bi aka say ya ja tumu ana ye be so a menfi da bi wankasa wambo so kra. But there was a reason why they had to bring this statement out, because of Haruna Iddrisu and Samuel Wakokaino. And so Muntaka has made the point of NDC known without disrespecting Haruna Iddrisu. And I feel say that is okay. But then it leaves the question begging. Say it leaves the question unanswered. Say, so what is Muntaka's thought? Because he led the campaign in Parliament or no share events and debate nase against this e-levy. And awako baby akwa kan. Yes, e wom say the NDC for ababonten say womo de womo stance a womo etekini. But Muntaka ne de ne sen. Senya wokwa okoye kwa kan say oh when the NJ 11 ya de a eye no. Will he come out the same way to say me ne NDC for akwa meeting e wie NJ ntum biom anase then like what you say? And you see, it creates loopholes. If the MPP are smart about it, they can explore and then get this budget approved. Because if for nothing at all, now MPP will know, say, well, the minority leader, NDC for leader, no, at least, or no, but I don't know, but I don't know whether Muntaka the official spokesperson for the minority. I don't know. Meaning say Muntaka no official spokesperson for the minority there. But the other Babetu Jani speaking for NDC. What do you think? Montreal Maju on comment box in for. But let's see what Ghanaians are saying about this. Obi say, tell the minority leader to talk well. We are not happy with some of his speeches. As someone will be Ekache Muntaka no. Say one minority leader no enkasa. Na ase womweni enje. Adia Muntaka eye ho. But it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. Let me know your thoughts on this. It's quite interesting. So we wait to see what will go on today in Parliament. But yesterday something interesting happened. the finance minister had a press conference. No work at Ghana for say, oh, levy, muma yenji, na yanji implications, a buying bebre, yanji, a buying bebre. Hey, you see, idea, the move back at no. Share my comment box, my for me. That's it.